Howdy, and welcome to the channel. And today we're going to be going over this very difficult to come by now Pittsburgh tool creeper. So if you're in the market for a tool creeper, then you'll want to go to your local Harbor Freight as soon as you can, because this is becoming very difficult to find. They've actually discontinued this particular model.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I 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 need it!
And I don't even see a replacement model currently available on the market for this. But this is just a little 30-pound tool creeper. You can put your tools on it, roll underneath the car, do what you need to do, and have this to move your tools around. I picked this up for a little under $9 at my local Harbor Freight, and it was hidden, and they didn't have any display whatsoever. So if you're interested in this, please be sure to go visit your local Harbor Freight as soon as you can to try to pick up one of the last models they might have. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this box real quick. There we go. Nothing else in the box. So with this model, it's going to have our 4 casters that we have here, and then it comes with this little stamped steel wrench, and this is going to be actually 14 millimeter that is on here. So you can use this if you want to, or you can use a regular combination wrench. Now the one thing with this is there's very small amount here, so once you get towards the end, you might use a larger wrench to get it down, but using this to physically tighten it the rest of the way down will be a lot easier because of how thin this is. Let's go ahead and put on our casters now. So some of the features on this particular cart is it has these nice little handles that are on the side. They're more rubberized than the plastic, and they feel really good in the hands. And of course, we've got 2 main storage trays, and then we have 2 smaller ones, and then this oblong one. But what's really nice is we actually have a metal plate. And what you can do is you can grab some of these smaller magnetic containers. They also have a 6-inch at Harbor Freight. And now you can throw your tools in here that are magnetic, and it will hold your tools. And the nice thing is, these things are so tough.
Yeah. Oh, for one brief moment, I saw all the bolts silhouetted against the lights of the traffic, and then they were gone.
Oh, fudge.
It takes a lot to make this stuff come off. So there's a lot of grip strength that is there. So as you're moving this underneath the car or truck and you're moving it around, you'll see that not only is my flab jiggling, but this isn't moving. So that's actually a really nice feature with this particular cart. Once you're done with it, you can either pick it up and you can carry it with the 2 red handles that are on the side, or it actually has a center handle as well. So you can pick it up with the center handle and carry it around. Take it and put it near your toolbox and start putting your tools up. Also makes it very convenient just to carry it around like that, but truthfully, carrying it like this, as long as there's no tools in it, carrying it with the side handle is a lot easier. The casters that are on here move very freely. They're very nice. Even whenever I add weight to them, they're not bogged down. They do not have a rubberized membrane on them. They're actually a hard plastic, so they do really good. I like the casters that are on here.
really is a rather sick car, my brother.
So I know this is a quick video for everybody, but I just wanted to show off this little tool. So be sure, if you want one of these, go to your local Harbor Freight. Hopefully they will still have them. I don't know if they're going to come out with a replacement model for this or not. I would think that this would sell pretty decent to home mechanics, but it may not, and that may be why they're getting rid of it. So if this is something that interests you, be sure to go visit yours as soon as you can. If you have any questions about this particular tool or any of the tools that are behind me or any of the other ones I've reviewed, please leave it in the comments below. I love talking with everybody and having those great conversations, especially ones like this. Thank you for leaving that comment, and thank you for watching.